I don't want this day to end. It's awesome.
Hey, we're here in Ouray, Colorado, and this is one of the steepest areas in the state, but we're going to take a route that anybody can take. We're going to head down to Ridgway, but it's along a beautiful river bottom, hopefully beautiful views, and it's just going to be an easygoing day for us. So we're just on the edge of town, and this is the setting for this town. It's this box canyon, ridiculous mountains all around it. It is just a fabulous setting. But like I say, we're going to take the easy route, so.
Mwah.
Not 15, 14. So one may wonder why the Uncompahgre River that flows through Ouray. It is the color that it is, and it is it's mining. So unfortunately, they mined all this area, and they dumped the minerals. It dyes all the rocks along the side, and nothing really grows. Beautiful day here in the San Juan Mountains, at the very edge of the San Juan Mountains. This is nice. It's a little bumpy, but not a single car.
Yeah.
So it's really relaxing, you know?
Yeah, beautiful. Perfect temperature, right?
Totally. As good as it gets.
One today.
You could definitely use some rain around this part of the state. Very dry here. Julianna's always making friends. Hi, guys.
Little donkey over here took the apple and ate the whole thing.
Oh, did he?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my
And
goodness.
look at his chops. He's so happy.
Yeah, I bet he is. Hey, ponies! Pony, pony, pony! Just finishing up a little lunch, a little peanut butter and jelly on dried tomato bread here in Ridgway, where True Grit was filmed, here in this little park. God, what a great spot to live, huh? There's the valley of Uncompahgre. You can see the Box Canyon of Ouray way back in the distance. Another day in paradise. We've got a little bit of rain coming down, just delicate sprinkles, keeping us nice and cool. And views, just views till Tuesday. Next Tuesday, not really this Tuesday, that's only a day away. That's really 8 days worth of views, easily. Is that good stuff? What do you got to say about this place?
It's a little slice of heaven, for sure. Never ridden anywhere prettier.
Yeah, it really is. I mean, you know, this competes with Switzerland.
This is the most beautiful spot in the country I've ever been.
Yeah, I know. It's just crazy. It's everything. These jagged, beautiful snow-capped peaks, and these lush valleys with barns and fences and cows and pastures and horses. Gorgeous. Yeah, let's check our maps again. Dropping back down from the Dallas Divide and back into Ridgway. What's so funny, babe?
I can't say it.
What's so funny, baby? What's so funny? What you laughing at, sugar drop?
I don't want this day to end. It's awesome.
Yeah, got one right today. So I gotta tell you, today has been a fabulous day.
Yes, it is.
We've been just grooving on these dirt roads and getting a little rain, but God, the scenery is amazing. Some of the prettiest stuff I've ever seen. Great views of the Snaffle Range and these traffic-free roads. It's kind of like doing rail trails, but with the most spectacular vistas you can possibly imagine. And for the most part, not a lot of climbing. Of course, we still got about 10 miles uphill getting back, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, we're just over the moon. This has been fabulous. Serious Colorado beauty here in all directions. I love this feeling. Just coming into town, it's the end of the day. It's cool. It's kind of cloud cover.
Hungry.
You're hungry. Yeah. Sunsets early in these little canyon towns. It's maybe 5 o'clock, probably not quite. Sun's already behind the mountain. And everything is going twilight. Finally getting some food. We were like seriously hungry. Long day, maybe 34 miles, which is not a lot, but it was about maybe 1,800 feet of climbing, and it was all on gravel. And it's high elevation, and it was gorgeous. And it feels so good to be eating right now, I tell you what, and to be having a glass of Malbec. And there goes my napkin, so I better chase it. We're here at Box Canyon Falls up by Ouray. You probably can't hear a single thing I'm saying. But what a cool place. Check this place out. What do you think? I've lived in Colorado my entire life, and Ouray is probably my favorite spot in the entire state. Every time I come here, and I've been here many, many times, but I always find something that I've never really knew about the place. This is a trail that winds around the entire town, goes through Box Canyon Falls, and goes through this wonderful little tunnel, but God, it is just so magical, and you get these incredible views. And wow, what a remarkable setting, what a remarkable place. I just love Ouray. Thank you for making this such a beautiful experience for us. It's just a fabulous, fabulous place.